How to permanently delete your Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily delete your Instagram account permanently. First thing first, you want to head over to Instagram application and make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to delete. So what you basically do is simply go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And from your profile, you can just go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right. Then you can just scroll down here. From this, you want to find your account center right on top. From your account center, select personal details down below. And then you want to head over to account ownership and control. Just tap on that. Select the second option, deactivation or deletion. So you'll have an option to choose which account to deactivate or delete. I'll select my Instagram account. And now this is the most important step. So if you just want to temporarily disable your account, you want to click on the first option. And if you want a permanent deletion, then you can select the second option. And when you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, followers, everything will be permanently removed. And if you'd just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate it. I'll just select the second option and then tap on continue. And it's going to say that your Threads account will be deleted as well because your Instagram and Threads are connected. Select a reason. If not, you can just tap on continue. Now select reason, tap on continue again. Now before you delete your account, you'll have an option to download your information, transfer a copy of your information, and to keep your Instagram account, you can only deactivate it. I'm sure that I want to delete it, so I just tap on continue. And it will ask you for your password. Just enter your password and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.